Hello guys, do you like to swim? And if you like to swim, are you getting pain in your shoulder? Are you getting symptoms of clicking in your shoulder and difficulty in moving your shoulder? Or are you developing what we call as the swimmer's shoulder? Watch this to find out. If you swim frequently, especially doing something like a butterfly or a freestyle, there is repetitive overhead movement of the shoulder. There can be more contact between your rotator cuff and the shoulder bone. This can lead to inflammation and pain. This is what is known as a swimmer's shoulder. Why it happens? Generally because of poor muscle strength, poor posture, and repetitive overuse. How do you prevent it? In addition to your swimming regime, incorporate some amount of strength regime focusing on your back, your rotator cuff, and core. Well, if you have already developed the symptoms and despite your strengthening, symptoms are not improving, then do visit a shoulder specialist near you.